guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. Today's hair sponsor is Westkiss hair. This is the straight 5x5 closure wig. It's a medium sized cap. It is 200% density, you guys. Guys, this wig is absolutely stunning. They sent me this 24-inch 200% density 5x5 closure wig, and oh my goodness, this is beautiful hair, you guys. Look at the luster. I did not put any products in the hair and it just feels so damn good. And oh my goodness, look how deep she goes. It came with a lot of freebies. I'm actually wearing the eyelashes in this video. They're like thin but long. I am in love with this wig. For 200% density, I think it's pretty good. You guys might think that it's thin at home, but it doesn't feel thin to me. Like, it feels thick throughout the entire wig. It feels like the same amount of hair. It's not going like fine towards the ends. Like 24 inches is long. This wig is long. It's touching my booty, and this is 24 inches. Soft and like sleek feeling, like it just feels so silky. As you guys see, I'm running my hands through it so effortlessly, and it's not messing up. It still looks the same. It is an HD lace, so I didn't have to do anything. I just put her on and just sprayed some hairspray. I did change the baby hairs a bit. I think I did them a bit more harsh earlier, but we just wanted to lighten them up a little bit. And you know, for the most part, like this 5x5 is looking like a frontal to me. I've noticed with other companies that have made straight 5x5 wig, the wig cap was like really big fitting because there was like a bigger lace space, but this wig, you guys, is absolutely stunning. Like it fits me perfectly. It is so comfortable, and this is the medium size. I would definitely recommend it to any and everybody. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box for you guys. They make good hair. I worked with them before, and this is my second collaboration, and both times I really like the hair, but this straight wig is everything. I'm gonna link the original video that I did in the description box as well if you guys want to check it out. But they make really good wigs and really good hair. Like I'm really impressed with it. I would say it is definitely top quality hair. That's the end of this video. I really love this wig. I think it's beautiful. I love the extra length that they give you, and I'm here for the 200% density. The texture, the softness, there's no smell. It's just perfect. I gotta run, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you made it this far into this video, you are the real MVP, and I appreciate you. Thanks. I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye.